Hi, I'm Lee with SRS Aviation. I want to take a few minutes and show you how we build our flight controls here at SRS. First of all, we've got a jig that specifically designed and made for your elevator, whether it be an A36, a 33 Baron. We've specifically designed this jig to build these elevators. One of the things that we do to ensure that the torque fitting on your flight control is clocked at the proper degrees is that we have a CNC located backplate, and as you can see right here, there's different degrees on here, 90, 88, and it varies with different models, but that way we can ensure that when we drill this fitting and we clock it, it's in the exact right spot for your airplane. One of the other things that we do is on the weight cover end of your flight control. This is where the weight cover goes. When we build this frame, we start off pinning it right to this fixture so that it can't move, keeping this rib straight up and down, and then also to help with keeping it straight. We don't want the flight control being built with a warp in it or being cockeyed. So in order to keep that straight, we put this cross member on here and tied in with pinning this rib. And also another thing that we do to help keep that flight control perfectly straight is that we've made a hinge locating fixture that bolts onto the side of this jig. As you can see right here, it comes all the way across on the hinge. It's pinned into place, which does a couple of things. One, it keeps this rib and make sure that we have this rib in the proper location to keep it straight and square with the trailing edge. Also, it helps us to locate exactly where this hinge is supposed to go so that when we put your trim tab on, your trim tab rod is in the right place, and it helps us to locate up the gap between your trim tab and the flight control. So I hope that this was helpful to you, and thank you for your business.